All right, awesome. Video 3, awesome. This is video, I think 6 for me. I think it took me 6 tries to not do this video, but to get the sound right. I mean, wow. So first, I'm just going to be, you can see going over, this is what the vulnerable app looks like. And the vulnerable app is a small fake login server with 3 usernames, 3 passwords. And then we have the attacker tool that we're going to attack the fake login server with. Yeah, that's pretty much it, literally. It's going to be very short, sweet. I think originally probably took me a couple hours to figure out everything I'm about to tell you, even though it's not that complicated at all. So questions specifically about this, if you have them, you can ask because I have everything here basically, most likely. And getting that information will help me. Anyway, the first problem was that you could tell, the problem is that you could tell at first when we'd get, so let's just run it first, right? So let's do that first. Because you'll see the outcome that we get right now, which is the correct outcome, the fixed. Right. Okay, nice. Wow, times are even more different. We don't get our history, but cool. Because I like close these all out and stuff. So anyway, we ran the fake login server. Boom. It did this. It had none of this. Then we ran the measure timing, and then this post stuff came up with the safe IP or whatever. And then we get our times back. And now they're all about the same. Human can't tell the difference really. So now if you're a hacker trying to get in, you can't just guess that you get the right username because the confirmed times won't be so different basically. And that's basically the gist of the whole thing. So measure time is the tool we used. The bug was that simulate hashing was around line 46, 47, right above the correct password. It was at the bottom of So fake usernames got rejected instantly, and real usernames took an extra 50 milliseconds, right? Because they triggered the hashing step, even though the error message was identical either way, and there was invalid credentials. Okay, and so this is what I was talking about. I moved simulate hashing from the bottom of the login function to the top of the login function. So it runs before the username check even happens. Meaning that every login attempt pays that 50 millisecond cost, real username or not. Once that's in place, rerunning measure timing like we already did in the beginning shows the usernames clustering around the same time. Nice. So basically this demonstrates a real documented vulnerability class, which is timing side channel attacks, where the content of a response is secure, but the timing of a response leaks information anyway. Good reminder that secure isn't just about what you say back to the user, it's about how consistently you say it. This is also why real world systems use constant time comparison functions and uniform processing paths, regardless of whether input is valid, specifically to kill this exact type of leak. Yeah. So that's cool to remember that. Yeah. It's like, you know that as somebody who doesn't do this, but well, you know that you get a different response time when you put in right information versus wrong, but you don't think that somebody can get your information off of that. So that's cool. But that's basically it. Really short. I mean, I guess doing it 6 times in a row just makes it easier to do. I don't know. Like, Lord have mercy. But yeah. Next video, I was thinking an actual script to use to help me in CTFs. I'm trying to get so good at those, really.